Hi guys, you all can call me MART. Today I'll be showing you all how I make myself look presentable to the world on days in which I'm closest to the word happy. I don't know if you don't know, but I know myself to be quite an exuberant personality. I'm so excited to show everyone this amazing process. Call it a makeup tutorial if you'd like. Gosh, it's all very exciting to be doing this on video. I have this specific happy mood every other day, so I make a video to show everyone today. If this goes well, maybe I show my unhappy face another time? Anyways, as a full-time color keeper and part-time, children's entertainer, not a costume clown, I don't have that much time to spend dwaddling about, and I'm sure you all are all here to learn and not be entertained. You'd hate to be in the room when I start going off on entertainment. So, here are the steps. Steps 1. Gather your materials. Makeup or paint, there is no difference to me or your skin. Your materials' colors should include red, yellow, blue, and any other materials you wish to cry off later. Step 2. Put expensive skin-colored paint on delicately to emulate the corpse. I'm not so sure what this does, especially for whatever I'm doing, but it seems standard procedure for when doing up the face. Please pardon my face. It is entirely shown off, only because of my instructions. Step 3. When the base is done, we put a mask because the face must be covered and everyone has already seen enough. It is time to use the white color now. Starting in the uncovered sections, make lines and squiggles until you are tired, like a child with a coloring book. Bah! I hate children. Step 4. There is a tip my creator told me. It was, do not blend on the face. Blending is for what we call it? Yes, bitches. Blending must always be an unintentional effect caused by bad handwork. Evidently, me is having a bad day with these issues, and the creator might be disappointed with me, MART. But the creator is dead, so no harm will come to MART. Do the red color first. It is the color of fresh blood, yes. Very icky with the whole messy death connotation, but also very sublime. It says to the world, I am harmless and full of exuberance and life. Use it to simulate the scratches branches might make as you run through the woods. Yellow is next. It is the color of dehydration, but it says to the world, I have love somewhere, and so do you, so don't worry. It is the color that keeps me cool. Be careful though. Mixing it with the other colors might make orange, and orange might get you killed in this environment. Last tier is blue. Blue says to the world, you will be terrified of me. It is for shocking predators and whoever might bite your leg off as you walk down the street. After all, the authorities are untrustworthy around these parts. One must be intimidating. Red, yellow, and blue, they are important because of the symbolic and objective nature of colors. They are happy, and so will whoever wears them be. And what is happy on the outside will become happy on the inside like molds. I hope you remember this better than the children who think they're high and mighty with their deep assessment of ironic color usage. Don't worry, MART re-educated them. Following these 4 steps, you will enter a stage called finished and complete. Be here and go on to be happy and creative and vain in your endeavors, or wipe it off and go about your life unhappy.